This is the Ask Steve Show, and I'm Steve. And today we're going to do a how-to segment on how to load the ribbon in the new Zebra ZXP7 printer. And before we get started on that, we're going to also have the bad photo ID of the day at the end of the program. Before we get started, I want to tell you about this printer. It's this particular one is dual-sided, but you can get it as a single-sided printer. This is the printer you want for high production. It does 300 cards with a YMCKO, so all 4 colors and an overlay panel. It's the fastest printer on the market. It has some unique features on it, and we'll show you here when we're showing you on the ribbon. It has a QR code, and you can take a picture of the QR code and it shows you a video on how to load the ribbons, so that's a really helpful thing. It has 250 card input, which is right here. The output is 100, and they're going to be coming out with a 250 card output, so it is a high production machine. And the cards that it takes, you can do 250 cards, and they could be 10 mil to 50 mil, and you don't have to make an adjustment. It auto adjusts, so it's got a very good feeding mechanism for the cards, which can be a problem with card printers. It has a special ribbon. Since it is doing high speed, it uses a special ribbon that does near photo quality and allows it to print that quickly, because you're doing like a card in 12 seconds, which is incredible. Comes standard with the USB and Ethernet connections, and it has a 2-year warranty. That includes the print head and a hot swap during the first year, which means if you had any problem or we can't fix it on site, we can send you a loaner printer and keep you up and running. So as promised, we're going to show you how to load the ribbons on the Zebra ZXP7 printer, and to do that is Douglas from our tech department. So I'm going to bring in Douglas to show you how.
Thank you. So, big yellow button right here. Go ahead and press that, pop it open. Here's the print head. It's spring loaded, so it won't get in the way of loading in and out the printer. Right here, where it kind of looks like there's like a vent, is where you're going to want to go ahead and pull it out a little bit. It doesn't come out all the way. It doesn't need to when replacing the ribbon. All you got to do is, from right here, you'll see purple, blue, purple, blue. And what it will do is you just go ahead and drop it in there. You don't have to wait for a click or anything. You just got to kind of load it in there, and you should be ready to go. And once that's loaded in there, you can go ahead, and once it is, you can go ahead and push it in there. You'll hear the click when it's in there, and then go ahead and close that.
Is right there, right?
Here's the QR code. It's right here on the print head. You can just go ahead, take a picture of that, and it'll show you many things on how this printer is worked with. And go ahead and close that again. Push down on that, it'll initialize, and you should be ready to go.
All right. Thank you, Douglas.
Thank you.
Okay, as promised, here's the bad photo ID of the day. And while you're looking at that, if you have any questions and we use them on our show, we'll send you a nice little gift for taking the time to do that. And just go to our Facebook portion of our website, and you can find that at idedge.com. Or if you have anything else, don't hesitate to call us, 800-798-3343. We'll help you pick out the right printer for you.